taste test. This one right here is real weird looking, and I don't know if I'm happy about this one.
Me either.
Got a cutting board.
These seeds.
I don't know if you can focus in on this. This is jackfruit. Hold on a second. Let me turn this off.
Get these seeds for you.
Those are serious seeds.
Yeah.
Look like big old almonds. There we go. Show of hands for those who had jackfruit before. It's like a pineapple.
Oh.
I mean, that's what it. You had the core, and you had your meat on the outside. Except for pineapple doesn't have seeds.
I don't know about this.
Wow.
Yeah. You want?
I don't know. It smells like vinegar.
Oh. It does.
I don't know if I'm gonna like this one.
Yeah.
But you first.
Thanks a lot. What's it taste like? No.
So far, that's a good sign, I guess.
Yeah. It's not bad. Don't taste like vinegar.
It smells like vinegar, though. Jackfruit.
Okay, it's not bad.
It's not bad? Okay. What does it taste like? Pineapple, apple, orange, banana?
Let me see. I guess almost like apple. Almost like apple. It's not bad.
Granny Smith apple? Well, you still eating it, so it must be good. It has a vinegar smell to it. Like a wine. Winey. Soury.
No. I don't think it's sour.
What's your number? 2.
You gave it a 2?
No, I haven't tasted it yet. I wonder
thought
what
you
your
did.
number is.
I don't know. I'd give it maybe about a 7.
Oh, okay. So that means you buy it again.
Yeah.
Okay. Scary.
Oh, come on. I know it's strange.
Stinks.
Well, vinegar. I wonder what family it's in.
Has a familiar taste, like not like pear.
Almost like mango.
It's close to mango, yeah. But it's a little sweet. I do taste some sweetness.
Yeah. I like it because it's not sweet.
No, it's not sweet, but you can taste it. This is a weird looking fruit.
Yeah.
That's a core, I'm quite sure. You can eat that.
No. These seeds are strange.
You know what? I give this like a 6.
Okay. It's not bad.
It's not bad. It's just weird.
Yeah.
Real weird. It's hard to put my finger on the taste. The texture is like it's a little harder than a mango. The texture. Yeah, this is a strange one right here. But yeah, I give it about a 6.
And this.
I don't know what that is.
That?
Not sure how you're supposed to eat this. I didn't do any research on it. I just saw it in the store and decided that, hey, why not try it out? And I don't know, would I buy it again? No.
Oh, come on.
I wouldn't buy it again.
Ah.
There's so many other fruits I would buy in this place. You still eating though and picking.
Hey, it would probably go good as a juice.
Yeah.
You know, mix it with something else.
Yeah. It definitely need to be mixed with something else. I still can't put my finger on what it tastes like.
Yeah, it's strange.
Okay, there you have it. Taste test jackfruit. Peace.